Choosing the right decor style for your bedroom can seem like a tricky task. Interior designers are absolute geniuses when it comes to creating bright, beautiful, and modern bedrooms. Are you ready to give your bedroom a seriously modern revamp, as you won't be able to resist after seeing these lovely modern bedroom designs? Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern bedroom decor ideas as part of your interior decorating ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One thing you can do to decorate your bedroom is to use bright and neutral colors. Pastels are, essentially, the new neutrals in terms of bedroom design, so fresh pinks, beautiful baby blues and gorgeous mint greens are all a brilliant choice for a modern bedroom. Freshen the look even more by having white walls contrasting with accent bed linens in a pastel shade. If you have a good amount of natural light flowing into your bedroom, you really need to make more of it. Try to remove any fussy window dressings and opt for simpler, more elegant touches, such as wooden Venetian blinds or plain drapes. Removing some of the walls in your bedroom and creating an open-plan sleeping suite space is the ultimate ingenious, modern bedroom ideas. Just imagine being able to go straight from your bed to a lovely bath. Nothing creates a modern aesthetic quite like natural materials in your bedroom. The most impactful among them is wood, as it is a steadfast, classic, and stunning addition, which adds just enough warmth to look really cozy and striking, without being too fussy or overwhelming. A wooden bed is a great way to go. You don't have to stick to white and pastels to get a modern bedroom, but do be careful with the colors you add in. Subtle accessories, such as throw cushions, are the perfect way to inject a little controlled color, but try to use fabulous materials to keep the luxury vibe alive. If you're on a tight budget but still want to embrace a modern look for your bedroom, building your own bed is a wonderful way to go. A pallet design would be incredibly cost-effective, simple to construct and yet really beautiful. It would also be a great way to go for cool bedroom ideas using wood. You don't need to embrace minimalism to enjoy a stylish and modern bedroom, but reducing the amount of clutter that you have will help to simplify your aesthetic no end. Instead of numerous small accessories, focus on statement, large items that have presence and significance. A terrific modern design motif is to paint 3 of your bedroom walls and hang statement wallpaper on the 4th. Try to maintain a neutral color palette and experiment with texture or patterns. Geometrics are a really popular and contemporary trend. No modern bedroom would be complete without some spectacular lighting, so think about choosing integrated bedside options. Lamps that mount directly to your headboard, with concealed wiring, are perfect for a really contemporary aesthetic, while also creating a romantic ambience. Don't think that you need to negate comfort and coziness in order to get a modern look in your bedroom, as luxury textiles are an absolute must and adding just enough softness. We're talking about deep pile rugs, high thread count bed linens and even faux fur throws, all of which are wonderfully cozy. Like with any other room, the color palette dictates the overall ambience and environment in the bedroom. It can also help in creating the illusion of space, adding depth, or even infusing warmth into the bedroom to make it cozy. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked collection of modern bedroom decor ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.